Today so far, we've made $94, which the day is not over. What's going on, Wolves? Eric Ellis here, CEO of WolvesAcademy.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you an income stream that's making me a little bit about maybe like $100 plus per day, and how you can ethically steal the same method. Boom, let's step behind the laptop. Now, if you guys look here, today so far, we've made $94, which the day is not over. It says 6:04 a.m., but I've just woke up because I'm currently here in Bali, Indonesia. So my day has actually just begun. I woke up pretty early today, but yesterday we had a $632 day. Now, I don't want you guys to focus on the big days that are like $632 or $1,000 or $2,000 days, or even some of the days that I've had upwards of $3,000 to $4,000. I want you guys to focus on, let's simply work on focusing on doing something like $100 a day. Now guys, look, this is a results video, meaning I just want to go and showcase my results. But if you guys want to know what it is that I am doing, go ahead and click the button down below or the link, first link in my description, and get access to a free training where I will literally, instead of you guys watching a 1 to 2 minute video, I'll show you guys literally a step-by-step training on what I'm currently doing that allows me to live life on my own terms, be my own boss. Took me from being dead broke to crushing it online, making my first 6 figures online, so on and so forth, right? So if you guys want to know that method, click the first link in the description or the button down below. And as you guys know, in the future, I'm definitely going to be shooting more long form videos, like 20 minutes, 15 minutes, so on and so forth, showing you guys how to do this stuff. But if you guys want to know what it is that I'm doing to get results online, click the first link in the description, the button down below. As I stated, you look here, I've made $632 yesterday, $94 yesterday. Just focus on $100 a day, an extra $100 per day. And I woke up to this, right? I didn't do any physical labor or anything along those lines. A lot of you guys, unfortunately, aren't even making $100 in a day. You guys are busting your ass 8 hours a day. I just woke up at 6 a.m., right? So imagine waking up to $100 in your day just beginning. Like, how awesome would that be? If you guys want those type of paydays when you guys are waking up, click the first link in the description, the button down below. I don't even know why you're still watching this. Click it, take action, and I look forward to seeing you guys on future videos. And as always, your boy Eric Ellis Jr., the Wolf of Marketing, checking out.